Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about spiral matrix coding. This is a medium level coding question. So if you are not good at coding, please go to our website learningmonkey.in and complete the placement training for service based companies. That course, you have to finish that course. In that course, we have clearly discussed about the programming languages, concepts and the basic questions required to understand the coding. If you complete that examples, then you are good at basic level coding understanding. After that, you have to start this medium level coding. Our assumption here is you already watched those classes and you are good at understanding the basic coding knowledge. So based on that, we will provide the explanation. In this example, we are going to provide the logic, how to write the coding for the given question. We will give you an intuition about the logic and we will explain you a part of the code. So with this explanation, it is enough for students to think the logic on their own and write the code on their own. That is what our requirement is. Not explaining the complete code is not our requirement. To make students involved in the coding and to write the code on their own. Anyhow, we are providing the code, but you try it on your own. After that, check our solution, check the coding. The coding is available at our website learningmonkey.in, competitive coding for medium level playlist. Visit there, the coding part is available. Coming to the question, spiral matrix. Given in a matrix, take m by n matrix. You can take any matrix. M may be of any value, n may be of any value. M by n matrix. If the elements are placed like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Spiral matrix means you have to display the elements in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 19, 18, 17, 13, 9, 5, 6, 7, 11, 15, 14, 10. This is how you have to display the output. In order to display the output like that, see, the logic goes like this. So the logic goes like this. We are going to take 4 different variables. One variable named as top, right side, bottom, left. See, what you understand from this, top is always pointing to the topmost line in our matrix that is not yet displayed. That is why we are using the top variable. Right variable is used to mention the right side of the line, right column that is not yet displayed. Bottom is used to display the line, to note the line that is not yet displayed. The same way left is used. This is how we are using 4 variables. So now, what's the first line we have to display? This line has to be displayed. After displaying this line, what's the top has to point to? Top variable has to point to the next line. Means initially top is pointing to the 0th line. So after displaying this line, top has to point? Top has to point to the first line. That is how we are using these variables: top, right, left and bottom. After displaying this line, what's the next line you have to display? You have to display 10, 15, 20. Now right has to point to this one. Initially right is pointing to the last column. If m is number of lines, n is number of columns, n minus 1th column. After displaying this line, bottom has to be point to this line, this one. Last line, last before line, bottom has to be point. After displaying left has to point to this. Means always our matrix is going to squeeze like this. So top is coming down, bottom is going up, right is moving to left, left is moving to right. So when we have to stop, this is one iteration. We are displaying this top line, we are displaying right line, we are displaying left line, we are displaying bottom line, we are displaying left line. After that, again repeat: top line, right line, in this right line, bottom line, left line. like that you have to repeat. How long we have to go to repeat this? When top moved, when top is moving down, bottom is moving up. If top crosses bottom, yes, you can stop. Otherwise, if you are moving like this, if left crosses right, you can stop it. These are the two conditions we are going to use to stop our program. This is the basic logic. You have to think about it and you have to write the coding for that. Let's try to understand a bit more about what we have discussed. After displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what stop is pointing to? Top is pointing to the next line. Similarly, if you display 10, 15, 20, right has to point to this second line. This line. So right is pointing to this line. After displaying 19, 18, 17, 16, bottom has to point to the above line. After displaying 11, 6, left has to point to the second line, second column. That is how we are using these four variables. So coming to the coding part now. See, this code is initially we are taking m value, n value, and the code is provided in Python language. You can write it in any language. Initially top is equal to left is equal to 0, bottom is equal to m minus 1, right is equal to n minus 1. The bottom and all these four variables are taken like this. After that we have created a numpy array. In that array we are going to take the inputs, means our array is filled using this to, we are not going to explain how to fill the array, all those things. Now coming to this, we are going to take a loop, while of true. What's that mean? It's an infinite loop. Within this outer loop, this infinite loop, we are going to write four different loops. One loop is going to display right, top, another loop is displaying right, other loop is displaying bottom, another loop is displaying left. Again repeat this. Again repeat this. That's why this infinite loop is going to repeat. How long it is going to repeat? How you come out of the loop? Using the break statement. Whenever our condition met, left crosses right, stop it, break it. Top crosses bottom, break it. Those are the conditions we are using to break the infinite loop. So now we are going to explain the first loop. Within this outer loop, see here, initially if left, whenever you are going to display top, first we have to display top line. Whenever you are going to display this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so what's the last element? Right is pointing to the last element. Whenever you are going to display like this, whenever you are displaying down, what is the variable? Bottom is the last. Whenever you are displaying this, left is the last. Whenever you are displaying this, top is the last. So using these variables that we are going to write the code. So first condition, whenever you are displaying the topmost element, topmost line, if left greater than right, whenever you are moving like this, if left greater than right means first break it. Otherwise, I is equal to top, j is equal to left, while j less than or equal to right. So we are going to display this line. How long you have to go to display? When j less than or equal to, j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, j is equal to 3, j is equal to 4. Which one? 4 value is going to, we are noting the value 4 on the variable called right. When j less than or equal to right, stop it. Up to then display this. That is how we are going to display the top line. So this is one loop. This loop, why we are using this loop? To display the top line. After displaying the top line, top is going to be +1. Where top is moving down, that's why it is going to +1. Similarly, second loop is used to display the, after that we are going to display the right side line. After displaying the right side line, right is going to be right -1. Third line is going to display the, third loop is going to display the bottom line. So after displaying the bottom line, bottom is equal to bottom -1. Fourth loop is going to display the left line. Again repeat the outer loop. Again repeat the outer loop. So again repeat the outer loop. While true means again repeat the outer loop. This is how we are going to display all the elements. One of the example, we already executed this code and we have taken this example. See, 7 by 5 matrix has been taken. This is how the input is taken: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 35 elements. If you want to display 1 2 3 4 5 10 15 20 25 35, 10 1 2 3 4 5 10 15 20 25 30 35. After that 34 33 32 31, 34 33 32 31. After that 26 21 16 11 6, 26 21 16 11 6. After that 7 8 9, 7 8 9. That is how it is going to display. So you try to write the code on your own, then check for the solution. That is the best practice. In our next class, we are going to talk about a InfyTQ question that is based on this spiral matrix. So they are not going to ask the same question. They will do some modifications. That's why you have to write the code. Otherwise, you are unable to attempt the InfyTQ question. Whatever the placement questions, you are unable to attempt. So you need to understand how to write the code. That's why we are not explaining the code completely. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.